California Gold Rush by Jamie, Morgan, Hamdi, and Calvin.
What do you think of when you hear the word gold? A gold medal, gold rims, a gold bar, or maybe some bling bling? Did you know that gold can be found in almost all 50 states? Today it costs a little less than $900 per gram. Have you ever heard of the California Gold Rush? If so, do you know how it started? Well, I have a little story to tell you. There once was a man named John Sutter. He persuaded the Mexican governor into granting him 50,000 acres of land. He was going to build a fort. In 1848, Sutter sent a carpenter named James Marshall to build a sawmill on the American River. One day he found gold in the river. Do you know why gold is valued so much? Because it's scarce, beautiful, easy to shape, and tough. News got out pretty quickly and people raced to the American River to find gold for themselves. Soon miners found gold flowing down a stream in the Sierra Nevada mountains. Many people came to make their fortune. Some of those people were called 49ers. When you think of 49ers, do you think of Joe Montana and Frank Gore? Well, we're talking about the other kind of 49ers. 49ers were people who were in search of gold in California. Those people wanted to make a living and earn money from this.
These people had three ways to get to California. The first way was to sail around South America, up the Pacific coast, possibly suffering from storm, seasickness, and spoiled food. Second was to sail the Isthmus of Panama, cross over land, then sail to California, risking deadly tropical disease. Or lastly, travel across North America, over rivers, prairies, and mountains, and be in the rugged terrain of the Great West. The mining camps were pretty rough. They started out in little tents along the river, but soon there were wooden buildings. Many miners spent their days standing in icy streams, sifting through mud and sand to find very little gold. Many miners' health were damaged through exhaustion, poor food, and disease. Many people came to mine. 2/3 of those people were American. A lot were Chinese because they were used to the backbreaking work that was required to mine gold. Americans didn't like the Chinese and grew very angry with them. Many Chinese and Native Americans were forced out of the field once the gold was getting harder to find. There were many effects of the gold rush. By 1852, the gold rush was almost over, but more than 250,000 people came to California, which caused huge economic growth and huge population growth. San Francisco became the center of banking, manufacturing, shipping, and trade. California also became a free state in 1850, but not all the effects were good effects. The gold rush had ruined many Californians. Many newcomers did not respect them or their customs, but Native Americans suffered even more. Many died from disease brought by newcomers.
The end.